Hi friends, what is BCC in email? So let's get started. So in email we use to that we are sending who we are sending this email to, and then we use CC, carbon copy. Similarly, we have another field called BCC which stands for blind carbon copy, and it is used in email. And we enter an email in this address in this field that we are trying to send an email to. So usually when you see this in your phone or in your browser, you have an option of selecting that and adding CC or BCC in there. So CC stands for carbon copy and BCC stands for blind carbon copy. The person who received the email, they will see the person who received this email, they will see everything in the email, that who is this sent to and who is the CC in that, but they would not, and the people who are receiving this email and they are in to and CC, they would not see this. The BCC person would not see their name in the email as to and CC, but they will receive the email as a copy in their inbox. So basically, when somebody is sending an email, they want to send a blind carbon copy to somebody. They just want to give them a copy without everybody letting know that for example, I'm sending the email to one of my friends, and friend A, and friend B. I don't want friend A to know that I'm sending a copy of this to to friend B. So I will just simply send the email to friend A and put my friend B as a blind carbon copy in there. So that way, that person would not able to see that that I have sent this email to another person. So that's the word this is the use of it. So in BCC, person who receive an email get a copy of email without showing an email. So the whoever you're sending this email, they were not able to see that who is this sent to. So BCC person who received the email would get the copy of an email, and other people who this email sent to would not able to see who this email sent to. So that is a simple definition of this. So let's take a look at how to do this in your mobile phone or your Android or your Apple devices. You can see this is to that we are sending this email to, and this is CC, and we are sending this email to blind carbon copy as it is highlighted. So this person will get an email, and they would not see their name on to or CC. Simply they will have this BCC copy in their email inbox, and they will see the whole message and everything, all the attachments and everything. But the people who are in CC and 2 would not able to see that who is in BCC. So in BCC, if you send an email to anyone, to the person who is in 2 and the person who is on CC would not able to see that who this email sent to. So that is the blind carbon copy. And let's take a look at Gmail on your browser. When you write an email to somebody, you'll see that you are sending to this email subject, and then you write your email in the body. So in order to show your BCC in there, you have to click on this up here, this where it's highlighted. You click up here, and what happened is you will see this on the right hand side on the top, you will see CC and BCC. When you click on CC, it will pop up only CC. When you click on BCC, it will show you the BCC box in there. So let's take a look at how it looks. So when we click on CC and BCC, you will see this additional email boxes that are available for you to add emails. So you can add as many emails it allowed by your service provider. For example, if it is Gmail, they have limit, I believe is less than 50, something like that. So same thing for CC and 2. So when you put CC and pair, you will get this email, and you will send this email to CC, and this is a blind carbon copy to that person, and other people were not able to see this. So that's how you do it in your Gmail and on your Android device. So please leave your comment and how you use your BCC in your email, and who you send this to, and what is your function of it. Please write your feedback, comments, which email you use, and what is the difficulty you have. If you have any more questions about those, I can make a video specific to those emails. So And please try sending this BCC and try sending it to few people and see how it works. So you get to see this how it works, and have them mark you as BCC, so you can get to see that as well. So try, and where you can see this this how it works. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Thank you very much.